since 2:30. It's past 3 o'clock at the moment, and the flood condition has been really worrisome. Houses are being submerged in flood. This is new Oko Oba. This is the street behind Abimbola Awoniyi Estate. You can see houses being submerged in flood, gates and fences being removed and washed away by the flood because of those houses beside the canal. This is new Oko Oba Agegenia Abattoir in Lagos, Nigeria. You can see the extent of the damages, the extent of the flood. May God help us. This is terrible. This is really terrible. May God help us. This is what is up. 2 children stranded on the streets. I pray none of them attempt to brave it and enter the flood. I pray. You can see some people removing their motorcycle from the flood. Those are the Okada guys in Lagos trying to remove their motorcycles from the flood. This is terrible. People are stranded, they can't cross the canal, and this is worrisome. This is really worrisome. This is worrisome. Look at this building. All the ground floor are already submerged in flood. The fence being forcefully removed by the flood. You can see that is the ground floor submerged in water. You know, you look at the next compound, everywhere, you know, flooded. The road and everything. Thank you.